Hello again, folks on YouTube. So this is the BFO that I've been featuring, that I've been using for my Telefunken, where we have a 1 megohm feedback from the base to the collector of the 2N22A transistor. I've swapped out, I found this variable capacitor here, which can be used for clarifier if you want. I just use the tuning control in the Telefunken, so I just swapped this out with a 22PF. So I've got a 22PF up here, 22PF here, and then remember my output here, I'm running through a 22PF. And this is what a picture of the circuit looks like that I had built before. Remember too, I had the option of running it off of the AC from the Telefunken if there was no hum. One of them was fine, the other one wasn't. And the design here has it going through a bridge rectifier, 450 microfarad electrolytic, and a bleeder resistor to drain once it's turned off with the switch here, using the yellow IF transformer. Now, this is the variable capacitor. I have the version here that I just built again for another Telefunken I have coming. And here I have the 22PF in place of that variable. And again, I have, in this case, the bleeder resistor is a 5.6K. Anything from 1 to 10K is fine. Otherwise, everything else is the same. I'm running this off of a 9-volt battery, and I'm running it into my tiny SA spectrum analyzer, and I'm looking at 400 kilohertz to 500 kilohertz. So these are divisions of 10 kilohertz. So I got 400, 410, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 would be right at about that line there. There's nothing going on right now because I don't have it turned on. So if I turn it on, and let me do that, and I'll make sure you have a signal, and there we go. The signal appears. And again, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, just under 460. I've tuned this one to work on one of my Telefunkens. The stated IF for those radios is 460. As I examine it, we're actually about 458. I'm sorry, yeah, 458 as opposed to 460, which is different from the 455 that modern superhets run. But anyway, it's excellent, excellently stable signal and very clean, as you can see here, over the background. It's not very strong, simply because it doesn't have to be, because we're injecting it at the antenna.